Hi guys, so today we're going to be learning how to use Google Sheets and how to use the sheets to put in data and create bar graphs from our data. So you will need to first start by going to Google Sheets. You can just do a simple Google search, Google Sheets. You'll come to this home page and you select blank. So we're going to create a new sheet for you to create your data. Now we are going to be doing an M&M's lab. You will need to put in your title because we're going to be adding our data. So you will have, for instance, your independent variable. We know that the independent variable was what you were investigating. You want to see the colors, you want to see, and then you will see how many colors in each bag, right? But I will not be showing you what exactly the M&Ms will look like. I am showing you an example of how you will be setting up your table. So you can go ahead, put a title for your spreadsheet, and let us say we have our independent variable in this column and our dependent variable in the next column. Okay, and we can resize based on, if you want it to look nice and presentable. So your independent variable, so we've been looking at if x then y. So if I change this variable, then this other variable will change. So let us say I am changing the temperature. So let's give an example. If I am changing the temperature, so temperature is my independent variable. Let's say that. So I'm moving from 0 degrees, 10 degrees, 20, 30. And I want to see the time that ice melts. Okay, so this is now my dependent variable because the time that ice melts is dependent on the temperature. So I go ahead and I'm going to say at 0 degrees, ice melts at 59 seconds. Then at 10 degrees, it's 45 seconds. 20 degrees, it is 32 seconds. And at 30 degrees, it melts at 28 seconds. Okay, so I've now put in my dependent variable. Now, please note, I will know that you are not applying this lab if I see on your information temperature and time that ice melts, because we are doing the M&M's lab. So you're doing color and you're doing number, but I'm not putting that in my example. So what do we want to do now? We want to be able to create our bar graph. So here we select, and I selected all the information, and I'm now going to press insert because I want to do a chart for this. And I go to insert chart, and it will create a chart in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, insert my chart. Where's my chart? It's not coming up. Interesting. So yeah, I have this insert chart. Why is insert chart not working? Alright, so I have inserted the charts, okay, and the default for this is a line graph, but we're not doing line graphs today. But because of whatever default is set, so we now need to change our chart type, and you will see over in the chart editor we can change, and you click the drop down arrow. We want to do a column graph or a bar chart, so we choose our column here and it will change to our bar chart. And this is now simply how we can make our bar chart, and you will see it has the independent variable on the x-axis and the dependent variable on the y-axis. And then you will need to change your title. So how does temperature affect the time that ice melts? So this can be my title, but it should really be bar chart showing how temperature affects the time that ice melts. charts. Okay, so that's what should be my title. And I mean, if you want, you have the option to customize your chart. So if you want to change like the colors, you can do so. You want a 3D, you can do so, etc. So it's up to you. Alright guys, so this is a simple tutorial on how to create a bar chart, and don't forget your title. So how temperature affects the time that ice melts. I can drop in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.